Information about Argyrocytisus battandieri. Argyrocytisus battandieri, also known as the pineapple broom or Moroccan broom, is a flowering shrub that is native to the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. It belongs to the family Fabaceae and is closely related to other broom species, such as Citisus scoparius and Genista tincturatoria. The plant can grow up to 2 to 3 meters tall and 2 meters wide, with silvery green foliage and distinctive yellow, pineapple-scented flowers that bloom in late spring to early summer. The flowers are arranged in large, pendulous racemes that can be up to 30 centimeters long. Argyrocytisus battandieri prefers well-drained soil and full sun exposure, and is hardy to USDA zones 8 to 10. It is commonly grown as an ornamental plant in gardens and landscapes, and is also sometimes used in the production of perfumes and essential oils due to its unique fragrance. However, it should be noted that Argyrocytisus battandieri can be toxic if ingested, and caution should be taken when handling the plant as it can cause skin irritation in some individuals.